Hey guys, are you preparing for government job exams? Before you spend thousands of rupees to purchase those exam guides, listen to this video carefully. Already the entire content is available for free in the most structured format. Recently, one of my subscribers have written a government job exam. He cracked the exam, not just cracking, he secured #1 ranking with the structured content already available in Homeschool channel, guys. This is true. Who is that? I will reveal about that person little later. But before that, let me ask you one question. How many of you guys are preparing for these exams? It can be RRB exams, SSC exams, or state police related exams, or whatever it may be. Okay, do let me know in the comment section if you are planning to write these exams or if you are already preparing these exams. Okay, it can be any government job exam, guys. Okay, so I want you to comment in the comment section because I can able to help you out in this. Trust me, right? Okay, I hope you have commented. Okay guys, so for all these government exam, general science is a compulsory paper, isn't it? Right? So what comes in general science usually? For this general science, you no need to buy big guides and big textbooks, guys. Okay, it is that NCERT class 9 and 10 syllabus, isn't it? So if you are the one who is already preparing for competitive exam, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, this is right, isn't it? So it is the NCERT textbooks that you need to master. And already entire NCERT syllabus is there in Homeschool channel, that too in the most structured format, explained in a very detailed way. Okay, so today in this video I am going to show how to navigate to those videos, how to prepare using those videos, how one can get benefit out of these videos, what is the proof of that, all of that I am going to tell you guys. Okay, it is through our website www.nalinihomeschool.com. So the website link is popping up on the screen. Okay, note it down, the website. Go to that website, and the moment you come to this website, just go to this resources button. Okay, so you will have courses, testimonials and all of that. Just go to this resources button. Mathematics is available, science is available. See, this is class 10 math and this is class 10 science, isn't it? So class 9 mathematics, class 9 science, class 8 mathematics, class 8 science. Okay, so even class 7 mathematics is available, guys. Okay, so the entire content is already kept in the most structured format. For example, if you open class 10 science, okay, all chapters are available: chemical reactions, equations, acid bases. So the moment you click chemical reactions and equations, the related videos will come. All topics are explained in a very detailed way. Okay, don't look for shortcuts. Don't feel that the videos are longer. Guys, when you study in a detailed way, you can able to answer any competitive question that they ask you. Okay, so if you feel like watching it in a faster way, keep it in 1.5x mode and watch it, guys. Okay, but never compromise with the topic. That is what I suggest for all of you guys. And individual topic wise videos are there. One shot revision also is there. Okay, recently I started one shot revision series for both 9th and 10th. Okay, so this is a one shot revision. Mind maps are there. Everything is already available in Homeschool YouTube channel. Okay, so you can click any chapter. Say, do you want, whether you want control coordination chapter? Yes, control coordination. All topic videos are well organized, and one shot revision videos are also going to come here. Okay, so this is how all topics of NCERT class 10, class 9, class 8 also will cover. Okay, mathematics class 9, class 10, class 8, everything is already available, guys. Okay, so you no need to look for general science anywhere. Freely in the most structured format that it is available in the homeschool channel. Please use this content, right? And now I told you in the beginning that one of my subscriber used this content and have cracked and secured #1 rank in RRB Group D Secunderabad zone. Okay, so let me show you the marks card of this person. Okay, so he is one of a proud subscriber called Mahesh. Okay, secured 100 percentile in the exam, guys. Okay, so with rank 1 in Secunderabad region, right? Isn't it amazing? If this is amazing, please send congratulations in the comment section. Type congratulations Mahesh. Okay, so what are you going to type? Congratulations Mahesh, right? So that is what I wanted to tell in this video, guys. Please use this free content which is already available in a very, very detailed way. You no need to look for any guides, and also spread this information. Okay, so spread this information to each one of the person who is preparing for government jobs. Okay, and also share this channel to every 9th standard and 10th standard and also 8th standard kids, guys. Okay, because the content is covered in a very, very detailed way, right? And thank you so much for supporting Homeschool YouTube channel, guys. I am just every day flooding up with a lot of messages, thank you messages. Actually, I am very, very blessed to have you all. I'm very, very blessed to teach this to all of you. Okay, so thank you for your love and support. See you soon in the next video with another topic.